Hello guys, welcome back to the shed. This is episode 0 of my manual swap on my A65. This is currently a Tiptronic car, okay? And I will use my parts car to get the manual transmission, okay? So this will be a slow-paced conversion. Okay. Well, first, I don't have a lot of time. Second, I'm preparing to have some troubles with the conversion. I'm kind of new to the Audi world. Also, I've never done anything like this, and this car is a little bit tricky for me. Okay. While I'm doing the conversion, I'm going to make sure that I take care of the health of the car. So I'll probably, well, first of all, I'll check the compression to see the health of the engine, to see if I use this engine or not. I will try to fix with the engine out. I'll try to fix some oil leaks because it leaks everywhere. I will check the status of the turbo as well. I'll have to see about the exhaust because I will like to reinstate the cats and probably take a look at the EGT as well. More things that okay. So parallel to this, since I have the car, since the car it won't be running, I'll probably take a look at some water leaks because I get some leaks inside the car. I think it's from the sunroof. Okay, so I'll have to double check this. And I'll probably check the suspension and brakes as well and all of that. Okay, so expect probably one video per month, more or less. And I'm expecting like 10 to 20 videos. I'm really not sure. It depends on the issues that I encounter and how fast I can deal with them. But first things first, what I will do today, I will move this car. I have it for a couple of months. It was in here because I didn't have the space in the other side of the garage. So I will move it from here so that I can start removing the engine and transmission from both cars. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. In this part of the garage I will work on the car itself, okay? And in this part I will work on the spare parts cars. So in here manual swap, in there it's another 2.7T that I can use. Another set of turbos, exhausts, everything in here. It's the manual swap. This is a 2.5 TDI. Not the best trends, but it was the one that I was able to get my hands on. So see you soon, and hit the like button, subscribe, and keep watching, because I'll coming up with some content on this. Thank you.